everyone. You might be in a situation where for some reason your Instagram message requests are not showing. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, your Instagram requests are probably going to come down from the bottom. So if you click right over here, you'll start to see these messages. Now, depending on your account type, you have to remember that you have a couple of different things that come up right over here in the center. So you have the primary button, you have the request button, and you have general. Well, if you're missing that request button right there, that might mean that you don't really have the, messages, you don't have any requested messages sent up. Sometimes you might get a message that you do have a requested message, but that might not come out in the right way either. So you just have to kind of double check and you just have to make sure that your request button right here is, you're actually supposed to be getting these messages. Now, on top of that, under requests, you will also see an option that says hidden requests. So if you're able to kind of tap onto that hidden request button, you should also be able to see a little panel that shows you your hidden request messages. So that could be another thing that'll probably end up happening here too. That's another thing I'd kind of recommend thinking about here as well. So that's another thing. If that's still not working, you might also want to go through and just try seeing if you can basically update your Instagram application. So make your way over into your Instagram app and just go ahead and type in Instagram just like so. And I recommend kind of going through and trying to update this particular application because that's another really important thing I'd recommend kind of doing. So in terms of that, that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.